I am Dr. Raza. I am the academic director for the course 6 months postgraduate certificate course in diabetology. As we all know that the basic purpose for this course is to spread awareness and do the health promotion for a disease that is very much rampant in our society, and I'm talking about diabetes mellitus. Currently, the statistics from Pakistan shows that about 16% of the population are diabetic, and the rest 13 to 14% are in the pre-diabetic range. With a bigger population size, this disease is getting worse day by day. Non-communicable disease can be prevented. So in order to prevent the disease, the best thing is that we have to train our doctors, our GPs, the doctors from other specialties, the doctors who have graduated from their MBBS programs. That is why we signed an MOU with the University of Lahore, and RMI, being the major partner for the delivery of this course, is presenting this course for the general public. And with this course, we hope that all the doctors from Khyberpakhtunkhwa, Punjab, and areas of Balochistan and even Sindh and Gilgit-Baltistan can come and join our course. Course is exclusively designed for the doctors who are on their duties, and it is very difficult for them to continue with their regular studies. It's a hybrid program course. We have got online components as well as the physical components of the course, and the certificate is issued properly, which is accredited certificate with 55 CMERs, is issued after proper assessment of the participants of the course.